Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Triple Q report for Wednesday, December 29th, 2021. Before I show the charts, just want to encourage you to please click like each and every time you watch the daily Triple Q report. Click subscribe. Subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. It'll provide you notification each and every time new content has been uploaded to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. We have the daily Triple Q report, the daily SPY report. We have the weekly DIA, the Dow Jones, the weekly IWM, the Russell 2000. In the next week or two, it's going to be the weekly Bitcoin. We also offer a free stock pick a week. And so there's a lot here to see. And if you subscribe, you'll be notified when that content has been uploaded. It's always timely. And so the sooner you see it, the more relevant it actually is. Let's take a look at the first chart here. This is just sort of a reminder of the buy signal that occurred upon Monday's settlement above the 398.51 formation. It's a similar structure to what we're seeing in the daily SPY. I don't want to compare the two too much, but we are inside of a band of resistance, which I'll get to in a moment. But the real bottom line here is holding above 398.51, which is a base of support through next week, above which we should push into the 420s over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Now, above the market, we did not test it on Tuesday, but it's there still, 405.46. So we can top out there for the day. It is a session containment level, and we can back off to 398.51 within the day. Of the two, I put more emphasis on 398.51. Now, there is, of course, the chance that 405.46 will contain the highs through next week, and from here we fall off into January trade. That is a real possibility. But I think odds favor that the emphasis remains bullish above 398.51, and closing then above 405.46 today should then yield 417.57 within about 3 to 5 days, and the 420s, presently 421.28 to 423.65 within a couple of weeks of closing above that secondary resistance at 405.46. So closing above 405.46 would be considered a secondary buy signal, which should add buying pressures, should add fuel to the rally. Until then, we're sort of in this band between 398.51 and 405.46. And if we break 398.51, then we can, within the day, test 394.22. Let's take a look at the support and resistance, and I can show you. In fact, let me start with the upside here. Holding above 398.51 will keep that 405.46 level in reach today. I call it a 1 to 2 day target above 398.51. It can contain daily highs on the way up to 421.28. And if we close today above 405.46, 417.57 becomes the next 3 to 5 day target. If you look at the 398.51 support, the 3-star weekly support, I mentioned that above which 421.28 remains a 2 to 3 week upside target. But if we break today 398.51, 394.22 is in reach, while closing below 398.51 would then likely yield the low to mid 370s over the next 2 to 3 weeks. And you can see the 375.97 channel bottom here. If we close below 398.51, it becomes, I'm going to say, a 1 to 2 week target. And on the way down, we have a 5/8 Fibonacci retracement, a new one based on yesterday's high against the recent low from last week at 387.83. I think that is kind of like a 2 to 3 day target below that 398.51 formation. 387.83 likely to contain at least daily. We could get actually a nice 2 to 3 day bounce there. But just know that, again, closing below 398.51, you should position yourself for a mid 370s target, that 375.97 formation, actually coinciding with a much more meaningful rising channel bottom over the next week or so at 371.97 presently. So we'll just call it the low to mid 370s in reach if we close today below 398.51. Until then, we remain bullish in the January trade, anticipating the 420s. I'll leave you with the support and resistance here today. There's not really much else to add. Please click like if you haven't already. click like each and every time you watch the Daily Triple Q report. It helps out a great deal from what I understand with regard to Wicked Stock's YouTube presence in terms of search engine results, so forth and so on. And click subscribe. Subscribing will help you and apprise you of notification each and every time new content has been uploaded to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. That's all I've got for the Daily Triple Q report for Wednesday. I'll be back tomorrow for Thursday's Daily Triple Q report. You have a great day, and we will talk soon.